coming back to the ejection fraction measurement with the help of this AI tool. Well, for this specific Caption AI tool, you need a personal long axis. You also are introduced to a personal short axis view. Actually, this view was deemed appropriate by the AI, so you still have to judge with your own eye how valid the exam and the loops, the views are. This was an example where the AI said this is definitely not a good view, this cannot be used for calculation, which is absolutely correct. And with this optimized for chamber view, the two-chamber view, the personal long axis view, it gives you an estimate of ejection fraction and also an estimate of the likelihood where the normal ejection fraction is. Here you have several measurements with different loops with the same patient, and it always shows a very similar end result, which is a normal ejection fraction. Also with the visual assessment, I would be in the range of around 60%.